Hey friends, a lot of users are asking why they cannot upgrade to Windows 11, and one of the reasons for this is that Windows 10 is about to reach its end of support date, beyond which it will not receive any updates, including security updates, which will put it to threat. So, what can you do in this case? Here's what you can do. First of all, search for Windows 11 system requirements. Okay, now Windows 11 system requirements are quite high in comparison to Windows 10. For example, you will need 64 GB of storage, which is to be separate. You'll need at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, and this is the minimum requirement. You will need much more than this. You'll need 8 GB of RAM to run Windows 11 smoothly, and other than this you also need TPM, secure boot, and all of these things. So the system requirements for Windows 11 are significantly higher, and that is why they don't work on your system. If the system requirements are not met but you can meet them, for example, if you have a TPM chip on your computer but the RAM is not sufficient, in that case all you need to do is increase the RAM. But here's the thing: if the system requirements are such that you cannot meet them even by increasing the basic components, then it is better for you to buy a new computer. Actually, Windows 11 was supposed to work with newer computers only that have been launched since 2020 and onward. Although it will work for with a little older computers, let's say the ones which were launched in 2019 or 2018. But I will suggest you to buy a new computer, and that's what Microsoft wants you to do as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.